In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Salesforce ID for an account. Knowing the record ID is essential when you're building reports, creating integrations, troubleshooting automations, or sharing a precise reference to a specific account. I'll walk you through exactly where to look and how to copy it cleanly, so you can use it with confidence. First, open Salesforce and sign in to the correct environment, whether that's production or sandbox. Make sure you have access to the accounts object. Once you're in, head to the Accounts tab from the top navigation. If you don't immediately see it, use the App Launcher or the global search to find Accounts. The goal is simply to land on the Accounts list page. Next, select the account whose ID you need. You can click it from the list or type the account name into the search bar and choose the exact record you're after. This opens the Accounts detail page. Now, look at your browser's address bar. The account's unique Salesforce ID is embedded directly in the URL of this page. You don't need any special tools. Your browser already shows it. Click once in the address bar to highlight the URL, or place your cursor and use your arrow keys to locate the portion that contains the ID. In the Lightning experience, you'll typically see it after a segment like account moment within the path. The account ID itself is a long alphanumeric string. Salesforce uses two formats, a 15-character case-sensitive version and an 18-character case-insensitive version. In most Lightning URLs, you'll see the 18-character ID, which is safer to use in spreadsheets or systems that ignore letter case. If you ever encounter the 15-character form, just remember that capitalization matters there. Either way, it's the same record, just two representations of the same identifier. To copy the ID, drag to select only that string in the URL and copy it, or copy the full URL and paste it somewhere temporary to extract just the ID. Double check that you didn't include any trailing slashes or extra characters. Keep the ID secure and share it only with teammates who need it, because it points directly to a record in your org. That's all there is to it. Open Salesforce, go to Accounts, open the specific account, check the URL, and copy the long string you see there. With this approach, you'll always have the exact identifier you need for reporting, integrations, and support. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforcing.